How to fix if you cannot collaborate on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on what you can do if you're not being able to collaborate with someone or invite someone as a collaborator on Instagram. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you're not being able to collaborate with someone on Instagram, there could be various reasons for this. First of all, it could be that you two do not follow each other and both of you might have a private account. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you follow that person, and you also want to make sure that your account is public, as well as the person you're trying to collaborate with, that person's account is also public. So for that, you can go to this account privacy setting and turn off private account, and also for the other person. Now they might not have allowed tags from everybody, so in that case there's nothing that you can do. So if they go to their tags and mentions and they might have selected don't allow tags, that way then you cannot invite them as a collaborator nor even tag them, because they don't allow tags or mentions. That's why you cannot collaborate with them as well. So in that case, you can DM them to try to check if that particular setting is enabled. You also want to make sure to update the Instagram app, because this was a newer feature probably released about 1 or 2 years ago, and still maybe for some reason still most of the devices might not have gotten this update. So you want to make sure to simply update the Instagram app from your Play Store or App Store and see if that helps you solve the problem. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.